We're back again with another video. Today we are doing a 2-time hot spicy Asian noodles and the extreme spicy noodles. So before we get into it, and if you want to finish watching the rest of this video, I'm going to introduce everybody before we get started with eating the noodles. So today is kind of like a challenge. We're going to try our best to eat all the noodles that we have on our plate and see how much we can take the heat. But on the side, we have all our plates. Come on, guys, let's all go in so we can do like a thumbnail. And I'm going to introduce everybody. We got a special guest with us today, which is Aisha, who is my sister. She's in the Little Mims crew today, and she's here to do the spicy noodle challenge. We got our Adrian over here, who's Battleship on Fortnite, and Aiden. Aiden, what's your name on Fortnite?
AD is a capital A dash gamers. The G is lowercase.
And what's your name, Adrian?
Battleship 321, capital B.
All right, and of course me, Queen of Trace here again. So guys, we're gonna get started. We're not gonna waste no more time. We're gonna get right into this thing. And we do have another special guest, but she can't fit in the camera. We got Nana here on the side. You can't see us, but she's gonna try this spicy noodle too. Over here, we also have. We got the cucumbers on deck in case it get really hot. We also got our ice and our water on deck if we need it for emergency. And we're going to just get into it, guys, and see where this takes us.
Oh, we also got popsicles, too.
And ice cream. And ice cream.
And milk. And milk.
And milk on deck.
So, the extreme is the black package, which Aisha and Aiden are going to have the extremes. And me and Adrian has the red pack up here, which is the 2 times hot. So, we're going to start. So, everybody show their plate.
Again?
One more thumbnail? Okay.
No. Show your plate.
Pick your plate up. Bring it to
All right,
your
no,
face.
guys, let's do another thumbnail because I didn't like that one. I want to do one like this.
Oh.
Do it like you eating it. All right.
All right.
Okay, so now we're going to get into it. We're just going to start eating it. So we're going to
Pick
see.
your plate up. Bring it to your mouth. Maybe we can see.
Ooh, I am not a
No,
spicy
you don't have to
person.
really see. Just eat
I do
it.
not like spice, so I don't know how this is going to be.
Who going to go first?
I am. I'm second.
Y'all go ahead first. Let me see what the reaction going to be.
Oh.
Give me the water. Give me the water. I
Hand him the
can't.
water.
Is it that
Yes!
It's not that
Hurry
bad,
up!
it's not that
Hurry
bad.
up!
It's
Hurry
not
up!
that bad. It's not
Where?
that bad.
Open the water, please. Please.
He got times 2. I got times 1, so I'm good.
Oh my god.
It's not that bad, Tubby?
It's not that bad. It's not that bad.
I'm about to give up already, man. This is hot.
I ain't taking you. I'm scared.
Thank you, Aisha.
I'm scared.
Eat it.
Ooh. Is it that hot?
Let me try times 2.
What you say, Mom?
I don't know which one was which.
You going to try times 2? I don't know. This tastes like this is just spice without no flavor.
Yeah,
This is not
spicy
times
without
2
no
is
flavor?
not.
Oh my
This
goodness.
is just hot. This is
Times
regular
2
hot,
gets you in the
hot,
throat.
hot.
Times 2 gets you in the throat.
Oh my goodness. All right, I'm going to try it.
To be honest, I might get a second dip. It's good, but like it's hot.
Oh, yeah.
Mm.
Yeah. Oh.
Mm-hmm.
And
Yeah, that's just hot.
and 80 and Aisha's got
Ooh.
the hot.
The black pack.
Okay.
Yep. That's hot.
I'm trying to do it. I'm trying to do
Yeah,
it.
this
Oh,
one
yeah.
is hot.
Woo. That's hot. Oh,
Mm-mm.
that's hot. Oh, Lord.
Yours is hotter. I mean, yours is
Oh, I got my eye watering already.
Oh, this is disgusting.
Well, you finished it all?
I finished it.
Dang, first place. Nana eating it like it's nothing. She acting like it's nothing.
And she got both. Nana got both on hers.
Oh, God. The taste of this stuff is dirty. Like, it's just not a good taste.
I thought the dude was saying it was yummy. These ain't no yummy. This is just hot.
Maybe somebody is into this hot taste, but this taste is... I'm going to get into the cucumbers real quick.
What's not that bad? Since the one bite is hot, but not as hot. But I ain't only had the
As
one
you can
bite.
see, I
though.
ate all...
The hot panda was worse. The
I'm
hot
done.
panda was worse.
I'm done.
Oh, you ate all yours too?
Uh-huh.
Oh my gosh. You had something gonna finish all yours?
Adrian ate his too.
It just tastes like
Can I get some more?
Oh, God. This is
extra hot
nasty.
inside there.
Oh, my
You need some
God.
ice?
Is that bad, Mom?
I'm scared to try to do it all now.
This ain't just a my fault. Yo, she took
I did. I taste one.
Where you gonna go from there?
In
Guys.
business.
I
Yeah,
see,
my
I
business.
told you wasn't gonna go.
Woo!
I need some milk. I threw two in there.
Lollipop, whatever it's called.
You want a lollipop?
Extremely.
So go eat. I handle it. Well, you can eat. I want you to eat yours.
Why you want me to eat, Miss Sheila?
Oh my god.
Have you ever
This is
eaten
what I get for being
popsicles?
disrespectful to all my family. Oh my god.
There's two
Popsicles?
together.
Yeah.
Everybody got one.
I'm just keeping for myself.
I gotta finish this. I'm going in on third place to last.
Oh my god.
Oh my God, it ain't that hot, ain't you?
Yes,
You're
it
doing
is.
extra now.
I'm extra.
Oh Lord.
Ah.
Look at his nose.
Rub me in the nose.
Oh, Lord Jesus.
I need icing now.
You need a popsicle?
Whatever. I'll be honest, this is not for me.
Yeah, that's not good. They not good. That good.
The heat.
It's so hot. Oh, my God.
Oh, she ate it all.
The heat is a lot. You have to eat it real fast. Like,
Mm-hmm.
if you continuously just go ahead and eat it,
No pausing.
that's
I
the
get
best
it
way.
down. I want to get another.
Mm-hmm. See, I'm done.
I'm about to do
I'm
it.
done now. I'm done. Aiden, Adrian.
Huh?
Oh,
You want another taste of what?
I'm trying to go.
That is hot.
Yeah, you can take some of this.
Okay. Hey, you was on all of that, and now you about to eat some more?
Yup.
Mm-hmm.
I got a lot of-
Extra.
I'm extra. Wow.
Extra.
Now my lip is back burning because I just licked the sauce off my.
Ooh.
I'm telling you, this is really
This is hot.
crazy. My nose is
Mom,
running.
Mom, there was the sauce and I just licked it just now. Now my mouth is back burning.
Guys, I don't know who would really want to do this challenge. And I got to take my head off to all these other people I've been watching these videos because
And then the whole bowl. It's like the back of my mouth is burning.
I know.
I just truly don't see how somebody can just eat this. I mean, the taste is really not good. It just, I'm going to give you the honest thing is, it really doesn't have a good flavor. Not to me. Like, and whatever this black stuff is, this shit, it's like, I don't know.
That 7 is supposed to be seaweed, I think. Yeah, he's supposed
Yeah, you did.
I think
This
it's
black
seaweed.
stuff, I don't know. This is, it makes me think that's hot too.
Well,
I don't think so.
Kiwi is not hot.
Yeah, I don't think it's that. Ooh, this is so hot.
Nana didn't even eat all hers.
It's something.
You cannot breathe when you're doing it because you suck in it gets hot. Ooh.
I'm trying to taste this black thing and see if that has spicy stuff and it doesn't. But you can't really see it inside. Like, you can't see it. Like how sometimes you can see, like, yes, you can see like the little dots of it that makes it hot. But
That's like seaweed.
I mean, it really just burns on
Now,
your
Mom,
palate.
right here.
I gotta admit, this is not as hot as a jalapeno though.
It's not?
Well, a jalapeno is hotter than this.
My ears be ringing with those.
It doesn't have no, I don't know why would you want it to be that hot? It don't have no acquired taste. You know,
No.
right?
This guy said he was yummy. These are not yummy.
These are.
He's not yummy at all.
It's
These are
truly,
hot.
it's truly spicy.
It's just hot.
It's really
That's
just
they pouring
spicy.
hot sauce on top, hot sauce on top, hot sauce.
But this to me don't even have like a.
Yeah, taste to it.
This doesn't even have like a hot sauce taste. Like hot sauce has like a flavoring taste to it. Like when you taste and you like, oh, I want to add a little bit more because of the taste. But this just tastes like
Just
somebody
pure
just took
hotness.
some real hot stuff and just mixed it in, literally like, and it's poured on top.
I want to try these ones. I'm going to try them.
It seems like they must not be too hot. I feel like right now, honestly, in my stomach is almost feeling like a bubbling feeling down in my stomach burning.
A bubbling feeling?
I feel it too.
I do too.
You can
I'm not
feel
feeling
like
that.
the burn. And maybe because I didn't eat, maybe my stomach may be a little bit empty,
I
but
didn't eat nothing either.
I know I did. I know my stomach ain't.
but
because
I ate my whole thing straight down. I don't have nothing on my plate.
Wait a minute. I'm trying to
Guess you
think
did. You
about it, so
got
maybe
three
I
more,
should have
four
done
more
it.
dips on there. I can't be talking. Good. Look at mine.
I thought my mouth was calming down, but it's
I
not
got how
because
much
it's so
I got
hot.
left.
Really? You can eat that up. You might as well take that down.
Don't even force yourself. If you can't eat
do
anymore.
it.
Guys, don't
Do
forget we're
it.
still doing a video, guys.
Oh, yeah, I forgot.
Guys, everybody got a little bit sidetracked. They talking all over, looking all around, and forgot that we doing a video. Guys, look, this is serious. This is in real time. You saw us eating it.
I'm going to try it 2
People
times.
do this stuff, and now she about to try it 2 times. I don't know how that's going to go. I don't even know why she even want to try it 2 times.
And you
Oh,
gotta eat it all.
bad?
You gotta eat
Each
it all.
time,
Oh, I don't know about that now.
even the last
Because
time,
she just spiced it.
even the last time when we did our last video, I get this burning feeling around the edge of my lips.
Mm-hmm.
It like burns around the outside of my mouth. So yeah, I don't know about. So this is the last time. This might be our last like little video challenge, even though I actually won the challenge
It's
because
nasty.
I was the one who ate
No,
the
you
most
didn't.
of it.
I was on your team because we
This
had the
sauce
same.
is nasty.
And
Nasty.
I got
It's like
a double dip.
Adrian, I got done first.
And I was second.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so who won?
Me and you won because you go up to third place, 2 wins.
Oh, okay. He's making up his own rules with it.
Yes,
It was a
he
challenge.
is. We won. No, you came in second place then. Anyway.
Well, Aiden didn't finish his. Adrian is this trooper for the second time in his hot spicy stuff. He can really handle the heat and eat it. Look at look.
Oh, me and I ain't finished.
So I guess if we end, Isha gotta hurry up. You the only one who didn't.
Mm-mm. This is the second one.
Adrian, don't overdo it on that stuff, that hot stuff.
No, it's one a little bit.
Oh, he didn't mean it.
Great. Now he's flicking it.
Noodles all over me.
This video is gonna be like a epic fail video or
Hey,
something.
it's pretty over there. It's plenty of paper towels over there.
That's what I need.
It's not that bad.
Mm-mm-mm.
All right, guys. So I guess I don't know how long this video's been. Like only like 14 minutes. We about to sign out.
This is horrible. Oh
And,
my
I
God.
did too. They just look like they just
We'll just give everybody their chance to go ahead around and talk real fast about what their experience was with the noodles, and then we'll probably just head out after that. So, Eddie, go ahead, tell them about what you experienced, how you like it, and say which one you had.
How I like it was.
How do I like it? What?
How I like it was.
Eddie, I'm telling you to say that all over again.
This mouth is burning. Or you might start. Come back. Cause he's
Okay,
still
we're
burning.
gonna come back. For me, I had the 2 times of hot, 2 times spice, the red one. To me, to be totally honest, I don't necessarily like the taste of it.
It's hot.
To me, it just tastes like something really extremely hot in your mouth with noodles on it. It really doesn't have like a sweet or no kind of taste. Like, I don't know what people really like about it because I wouldn't just eat this. I would just only do it like for this time. This is a challenge.
For y'all. We do it for y'all.
Go ahead, Adrian. What was your experience? And what did you try both ones, right?
Yes. And I actually got a third dip on the one that we've been had the first try.
The other 2 times.
My
Go ahead,
experience was for this is it's really spicy and all it is just like how my Nina said, it's just spice on spice
I
on
need
spice.
another
Like,
one. That stuff is so hot.
all it is just hot sauce on hot
Hot
sauce,
pickle?
like she said. So, for my experience, it's hot, and it's your turn, Alicia, because I am eating by myself.
Yeah, I don't have
I'm sorry about that.
noodles on me. Yeah, my mouth
Let me
is
get
burning.
that red one.
And it's real spicy. I don't have both. Down the extreme noodles, it's hot, but the 2 times spice is really hot. It's nasty, but it's extremely hot. My mouth is burning right now. It's on fire.
And I'm going to say, I'm not a person who drinks a lot of water. I drank a whole bottle of water, like almost on the first like encounter with that. And then it's like you can feel it in your stomach like burning. So like to shout out to like B Love and all those other guys out there.
Yes.
Those other people who do those spicy challenges.
Sniper.
Yes.
Can do's. I do a whole lot.
Oh, Prissy P. I like Prissy P too. B Love.
So
Shout out to all of y'all.
I don't understand
Sniper
how.
Wolf.
I don't understand how all you guys eat this stuff like, because I know some of you guys on your channel, you eat it more often. It's no way I'm eating 4
No.
packs of this. Like, I
No.
But they
it's
eating
too
it
much.
with something. They not just eating.
Oh, I ain't
just
trying the
noodles.
cucumbers. Cucumbers,
They
something
not
down.
just eating
Yes.
it though. They just not eating. Ain't they eating it with
No.
seafood or?
No,
they
they
just
eat
eat
it
it
by
by
This
themselves.
is burning now.
And,
by itself.
So, yeah, but we probably should have tried. I did see on somebody's, but they was putting egg with it. So I don't know if egg helps simmers it down or what.
Oh, yeah, I didn't think about that.
But I don't know if people just do it because they want to eat egg with it because they like the spicy. But yeah,
I don't see how people eat this as a meal.
Yeah, you can't.
Really as a meal? I don't see it.
No. Yeah,
No.
this is not something that you
This
would
is
eat.
more of it's not even a snack.
This is for challenge purpose only for us.
Yeah.
I would
Cucumbers
never.
are not doing anything.
No, they're not. Not at all.
You gotta put a bunch in there. You can't just do
I
it.
just put a whole hand.
No, mouthful on it.
No, not one. No, you gotta put a bunch.
This. This.
Adrian, really?
You said
Really, Adrian? Really?
this.
Put it in there, AJ.
Okay.
Put your hands all over it.
My lips is burning.
All right, so guys, we're about to sign out.
Ooh.
Let me
So
tell
don't
you-
forget to like, subscribe, and share this channel with any and everybody who you think may want to watch this strange, spicy noodle challenge that we just did. Eddie, you want to say something?
Yes.
Oh, my nose is running.
And me and my brother play Fortnite. So if you want to know our accounts, we will tell you now. Get
Not
a
our
picture of.
account.
No, I'm just saying our name. We have an Epic account. So our game name, my brother's is Battleship 321 capital B. Mine is capital AD dash Gamers, but it's a lowercase G.
But when he's on the Xbox, it's Spandex Fungus capital S 53. Well, you don't really have to know that because AD Gamer is going to show up as Spandex. So yeah.
All right, guys. So if you want to play with them on Fortnite, that's when they just put their things out on Fortnite. Okay, guys. So we're gonna sign out again. Like and subscribe, and hopefully we'll have Isha with us again on another video.
Yeah.
But until next time, see you, my cuties. Peace.
QTs, popsicles work.
Peace.
Popsicle.
You
QTs.
need to- It don't matter if they